Hey guys, quick video from one of my good friends, Tiffany Wilkerson, who I work with at my company. She's our business development director and also our marketing director. And what she put together was a quick video that walks you through how to place a video onto Zillow using their app. So it's a really easy process, but for a lot of folks, they struggle with it. So I wanted to put together a quick video that you can just take a look at, and she'll take you step by step through this quick process so you can market your listings more effectively instead of just using pictures. Adding video will take your search results listings to the top instead of leaving them in the middle or the bottom, and you'll get a lot more response from your ads. I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Good selling. Remember to check us out over at eRealEstateCoach.com.
Hey there, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to download and use your Premier Agent app to create a listing walkthrough video on your smartphone device. I'm currently using an iPhone 11, but this should work regardless of what kind of phone you have, Android or iPhone. As long as you have a smartphone and the ability to download the Premier Agent app, you should be good to go. So starting here, you're gonna go into your app store. I believe on an Android it's called something different, but you're gonna go into the app store here. You'll download the Premier Agent, that one right there, Zillow Premier Agent. All right, this is what the icon looks like. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and download that. Let that do its thing for a sec. And then we'll go ahead and hit open. Okay, so this is what your home screen will look like. I'm gonna go ahead and allow those. So logging in, I'm gonna use Terry's login just so he has some active listings that I can help you out with. Oops. And so keep in mind that you will need to have a Zillow account. Now, that doesn't mean you have to have a paid account. This will work regardless of whether or not you're paying Zillow or not. You just need to make sure that you have a Zillow profile. Go ahead and hit login. We'll dismiss those, not now. Okay, so perfect. We're gonna get into, we'll hit more. So this is the more on the right hand bottom, on the right hand side on the bottom, you'll see the icon that says more with the 3 dots. You're gonna go ahead and hit listings up here. So hit listings, and then you'll see all of Terry's current active listings. Let's say I'm at the property right now and I'm ready to add a video. You're gonna click on this icon, add video. Add video. And from here, what you're going to do is, right here on the top, it says under this icon, edit listing, add 3D home, or add video. You're gonna go ahead and click that. So Premier Agent would now like to access your camera. Go ahead and hit okay. So videos are obviously limited to 2 minutes. It's gonna kind of walk you through this, so keep that in mind. You wanna keep everything light and bright. Maybe go around the house, make sure all the doors are open, the lights are on. Any dark rooms, you're gonna wanna open the blinds, curtains, turn on any lights there. And then no sound, there's no worries. So obviously you can hear my voice right now because I'm making a recording, but in a normal circumstance, these videos have no sound. So if a dog barks or someone talks or you're moving a chair around or something happens, no worries, none of that will get picked up. Multiple clips are gonna automatically be combined. So as you're pausing and you're walking through the house, they're all automatically gonna create these smooth transitions for you, so you don't have to worry about any of the editing. And this is a kind of a video that you can watch, best practices from a pro. Just gonna go over some tips and these tricks on how to showcase the home to the best of its ability. So let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and turn your camera, and right here, obviously I'm in my house, and I didn't really pick up before this. So, but you're gonna wanna go ahead and in the normal circumstance, maybe start outside and kind of showcase the outside of the home and then going in through the home. But here, you're gonna go ahead and record. It's gonna say recording. And here's where you can kind of walk through. You can kind of see, the layout. Okay, and let's say that's maybe a good first clip. Go ahead and hit stop. It's gonna show you a preview of what that looked like. And let's say, oh, yep, I love it. It looks great. Let's keep it. Okay. So how about the second pan? I'd like to get more of my kitchen. So it's gonna start preparing to record. Here's my kitchen. Okay, here's my dining room. Like I said, I didn't really pick up before this, but that's okay. Okay, so let's start walking into the hallway here. A bathroom, and maybe let's hit stop. Okay, it's gonna show me what I just filmed. Okay, all that looks great. Like the transition into the dining room, we'll go ahead and hit keep. Let's maybe get one more of preparing to record. Perfect, so we got a little bit of the bathroom. We'll head down the hall. Here's my girls' playroom. Okay, so let's say I like how all that looks. We'll hit stop. It's gonna show me a preview. All right, so let's say we're good to go. And let's say we finished, we have all the clips that we're looking for. We're gonna go ahead and hit keep. So at this point, if I'm feeling good about it, I'm feeling comfortable, obviously I've done the whole house, you can go ahead and hit done. All right, so now it's gonna generate a preview of what your new video looks like. So it's gonna let me know. All right, I'll go ahead and hit play. All right, let's say everything looks great. It's exactly what I'm looking for. All that's good. I'm not gonna go ahead and hit upload on this one because it's Terry's listing, but you're gonna go ahead and hit that green button that just says upload video, or you can save video as a draft, or you can delete the video draft. As soon as you hit upload video, it's already gonna post to Zillow for you. It's already gonna be uploaded. The resolution will be great and you're done. So very, very simple. This video took less than 2.5 minutes to record and